What up, y'all? It's your boy Kickflips right here with a sneaker review. Today we've got the Dunk Low Sandrift. This is in women's sizing. I got a women's size 10 for reselling purposes. And right now, I gotta tell y'all, I took an L on these. Even though I did cop them in the sneakers app, my first win, my first W for the sneakers app. But unfortunately, these are actually bricking right now, and they're going for around 140 on Go, where I'm selling these, and I picked them up for 120. So after fees, I'm going for broke right here. $0 of profit, but let's open them up. At least you guys can get some entertainment, and also hopefully cop these because they are at a pretty low resale price. So here we have it, Dunk Low Sandrift. An extremely clean colorway, in my opinion. Got suede on the overlays, this nice tan suede, and then of course that sail leather underneath, sail laces, and that tan outsole. It's pretty clean. I wish I could rock these, but unfortunately I can't rock with women's sizing unless it's in an extended range. But yeah, here they are. I have to say though, I'm already noticing a few small imperfections. Nike quality control has been getting worse, I think. Just like a few marks, loose stitching a little bit. But it's alright, I think Goat should pass them. I actually put the listing up just now, and they have already sold, in fact. So I will be shipping these out soon, but I wanted you guys to get a good look at them before I did that. These are actually the first dunks I've ever had in hand that I've bought myself. I haven't bought dunks yet for myself, but unfortunately I think they might be falling off soon. I think the fact that these are breaking right now is a testament to that, because these, I think a couple years ago, these would have gone crazy in the resale market, but unfortunately that is not the case for me. But for you guys, y'all can cop a pretty clean colorway for not that much over retail. Yeah, this is it. Set it down there. Let's take a look at the other shoe. Pretty standard box, standard Nike box, standard wrapping. GR Dunk, nothing new, but I hope y'all will be copping these when they are in stock and pretty low right now in price. These are selling fast. Like I told you, these sold like almost instantly for me, so I will be shipping those out. Alright, these look pretty good, no major defects, and I think I will see you guys in the next one. Here's some B-roll shots for you, but yeah, I'll see you.